Just take deep breaths and just relax, okay? One more time, go ahead and press, press, press. There we go. There we go. You press your elbow back towards me. Good chicken. There we go. This one's stiffer here.